Hi everyone, this is Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back again with another Ferrero Friday project, and this time it's showcasing some lovely new product that we've got. These bottles are die cut from some new designer series paper, which is this Bubbles and Fizz one here, which has got some great bottle themed ones. You can only get this in Celebration as a free item at the moment, so if you spend £45 you get to choose that as a free item. If you spend two lots of 45, so £90, you can choose either two items such as that one, or a new level 2 item which includes things like a very large stamp set and a set of thin lit dies. So without further ado, let's get on with the box making. And quite simply, you're going to need your trimmer. I'm going to be working in centimetres today. I will convert to inches and put those on my blog, so if you want inches, go there. So quite a lot to get done with this bit of die cutting. So you're going to cut a piece of cardstock 14 by 17.5, that's for the box base, and you're going to score the long edge at 3.5 and at 10.5. or the short edge even, the short edge at 3.5 and 10.5, and the long edge is 3.5 and 3.5 and 14 centimetres. Okay. So that's your box base, that can pop to one side. You then need a second piece of cardstock for our handle, which is 10.3 by 27 centimetres. So it's going to be just short of 10.5 centimetres. And that's so that it'll fit inside the box. And then by 27 centimetres. Right. And that needs to be scored at 3.3 at 13.5, then at 23.7, score not cut, and then that will then fold to create our handle, like so. There we go. So having done that, we now need to create our basic box. So fold and burnish all our score lines using a bone folder. That's the same with these ones, and give them a good burnish back themselves, like so. Then to create the box, very simply, you're going to, on the long edge or the short edge, it actually doesn't matter which, I do mine on the short edge to start off with, so there at the side, just trim away your corners, so literally just to create our notches, and that's just so that it'll sit, so you're cutting straight at the edge there and then just a little notch out, and that's so that the tab will tuck in and not show on the top. Okay, so when that folds up, you can line it up and you won't get anything poking through the top. So we're making a box, so we're going to use our fuse glue. And don't forget, when you use your fuse, you don't have to be too fierce, just a gentle roll and flick. Occasionally get a little bit of glue build up, just make sure you clean that off afterwards. And I should have probably decorated this before I constructed it, but don't worry, it would be easier if you left it flat and then constructed it, but hey, nothing like making life a bit more difficult. To decorate, you're going to need a strip of designer series paper that's 3 centimetres wide, and you're going to need 2 pieces that are 10 centimetres, and you're going to need 2 pieces that are 6.5. So those are our two 10cm pieces to go on the longer edge. And then I'm going to cut another 3cm strip. And we're going to, those will be 6.5. Don't forget when you're using your trimmer, cut up from the bottom, particularly on these small pieces as well. Okay, so because this is paper, we only need our snail on these, so you can just literally attach those to the front and the sides. Just press those in place. Again on this side, and one on the front, like so. And then for our centre part, hold that together. And before we stick that in, that's going to sit in like so. I'm actually going to do the bottles next, because I'm going to punch the holes where these are. So on this there are two sizes of bottle, some large ones and some small ones. So I'm going to just roughly cut out those bottles, and you could either hand cut those, or you could use the dies that you can get as well. And if you haven't got, you can actually buy, this is the lovely bubble over stamp and die set, and it comes with two bottles, two straws, labels, all sorts of goodies. And then what you're going to do is layer up your image. So you see my really bowed plates here, they really do need replacing. And what I'm actually going to do is line that up like so. But then, because my plates are a little bit out, I'm just going to, at the top and the bottom, attach a small piece of washi tape just to hold that in place. And then pop that through your die cutting machine. And you can just pop that out, and there you have your bottle. So just repeat that. Take off those bits of paper. So again, line that up, and you'll get a slight white bit on the outside, a little bit of the background. So line that up. As I say, if you don't want the white bit on the outside, that's fine. Just you can then you can hand cut those instead. And I'll just leave you having a look at the stamp set while I'm beavering away. So there we go, second bottle, like so, and then finally our third bottle. Now obviously if you wanted to speed this up, you could do a large and small bottles, so that would enable you to cut 2 bottles at a time through your die cutting machine because they're 2 different sizes. Or you could just stamp the images if you don't have a die cutting machine. So there's lots of ways of making this work for you. So what we're now going to do is attach those bottles to our panel here. So just by eye, I'm going to pop those in there. And I say you could add some more on the other side if you wanted to. Oh look, complete with a little bit of washi tape. Well, okay. So once you've done that, there is a new set of mini punches, which includes this little lemon slice, but this is perfect for popping in and creating those finger holes, and it will go through, push it all the way in, and it'll go through 2 pieces of card ever so easily. And then if you pop it on the corner, you can just create a nice little angled tag. So all we need to do now, oh, it looks like I might be fused out. Okay, just for speed, I'm going to use my snail, but you will need to use a stronger glue. Pop that inside, add your Ferrero or other chocolates, you know, it will obviously suit the Lindor balls as well. So pop our chocolates in there like so. Then all that's left is to do our stamping, and I've used this Your Kindness is Most Refreshing, and there are 2 dinky little dies here, and they are 2 different sizes. So I've die cut the larger one using that. I've got the sentiment just here, and this is one of those that actually, if you stand over it, so if you get a headshot, I'll apologise now. There you go. That actually hasn't worked out bad, considering I usually stand up to do that bit, or lean over. Attach to our layer, and look at that perfect little layer, which I don't think I could get any other way. That can go on the front. Your Kindness is Most Refreshing, and there you have a cute little 6 Ferrero holder to say thank you very much to somebody, and to create a little gift. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy any products, visit my blog, heidismith.stampinup.net, that's my online shop, and visit my blog, www.flutterbyheidi.co.uk. If I can help you with anything, just give me a call. Bye now.